Hi everyone, welcome to my AdMath TV. Today we do a circular measure summative exercise. Let's read the questions. The diagram on the right shows a sector VOW from a circle with center O. Okay, so this is the sector VOW. Okay, VOW with center O. Right? The arc VW subtended at an angle of 2 radians at the center O. The arc VW, here's the arc VW subtended at an angle of 2 radians. So the sector is folded to make a cone such that the arc length VW is the circumference of the base of the cone. So let me draw a cone first. Okay, this one, okay, so the sector here is folded to make a cone. So the cone will be like this. This is the cone. Alright? Okay. This is the cone. Okay? And the arc length VW is the circumference of the base of the cone. So the arc length VW here is actually the circumference of the base of the cone. So let's see what we have. Okay? This is the radius of the cone. And this is the height of the cone, and here 90 degrees. This is the landing height, which is 64 cm. So you fold this one, the sector here you fold and make a cone like this. Okay, so based on the cone, okay, we can find the relationship between the H and R. Okay, so 64, which is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So therefore 64 equals to square root of H squared plus R squared. Okay, so this is the relationship between the landing height, and radius. Okay, so from the sector we know that the area of the sector here is 1/2 R squared theta. Okay, so therefore the area of VOW is 1/2 R squared theta. Okay, so we got 4096 square cm. Okay, from the cone, okay, so we know that the area of the sector, also the sector, okay, from the cone we know that the area of the sector, which is the sector here lah, which is the sector here, is pi RL. Okay, it's pi RL, whereby so when you unfold the cone you have this, correct? And this area actually is pi RL, and L is the landing height of the cone. So therefore 4096 equals to pi RL. Okay, so 4096 equals to 22/7 multiply R and L's landing height. Okay, so you use your calculator. Okay, so therefore our R is 224/11. Okay, so from the relationship between the HR and landing height, we can get 64 equals to square root of H squared plus R squared over 11 squared. So therefore 4096 equals to H squared plus 224/11 square. So our H is 60.67 cm. Okay, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.